Hi, this is my custom Arduino-based robot controller. It served me well, but using the HC12 module started to feel limited. Even though it has great range, it didn't give me the flexibility I needed to talk to multiple modules at once. Today, we're performing a brain transplant. We're swapping the HC12 for an ESP32. By using the ESP-NOW protocol, we're going to achieve near instant communication and the ability to control an entire fleet of modules from this one remote. Why keep the Arduino at all, you might think? Simple. I/O pins and existing wiring. My joysticks and buttons are already wired to the Arduino. Instead of rewiring everything to the 3.3 volt logic of the ESP32, I decided to use them as a team. The Arduino acts as the input handler, reading the analog values from the joysticks and digital states of the buttons. We connect them via a single serial cable. TX from the Arduino to the RX on the ESP32. It doesn't need to send data back from the ESP to the Arduino, so one wire keeps it clean. One major change I made was the LCD display. Originally, if I wanted to show robot telemetry, the data had to go from the robot to the HC12, then to the Arduino, and finally to the LCD. That's a lot of middleman lag. Now I've connected the I2C LCD directly to the ESP. Since the ESP is the one receiving the ESP now feedback from the car, it can update the screen instantly. Arduino code is now incredibly lightweight. It just packs the joystick X and Y and button states and sends them over serial to the ESP. On the other side, we're listening to the serial port. Once a full packet arrives, the ESP32 triggers a function to broadcast that data using ESP-NOW. This is where the magic happens. We can target the MAC address of the car or even a robotic arm simultaneously. The difference is night and day. The latency is practically zero and the connection is much more robust. Plus, with the LCD on the ESP32, I can see real-time sensor data coming back from the car without any hiccups. This hybrid system, using the Arduino for I/O and the ESP32 for high-speed comms, is a game changer for my future projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe to RoboCrafts for more electronics builds. See you in the next one.